Hello everyone. Today I plan to make sweet potato dessert. And how do I make it? And first I also need a plantain, and I need a coconut milk, and I need a brown sugar, and also I need tapioca starch. So I'll show you how to make later. In Indonesia, we make like this a lot, and we call that Kolak Biji Salak. Sumatra and Java they call Kolak Biji Salak, and in Bandung they call this letter Kolak Candil. So I'll show you how to make it from the start, from the very beginning, so later you will know how to make it at home. So first, let's clean up the sweet potato. I have like this easier, we use like this. So clean up everything and then we cut later, okay? So after you clean up all, you skin it all the sweet potato, then you cut like this until finished, and then we boil it. Voila, here you go, beautiful. Okay, after we skin it and clean up everything like this, and then you cut like that smaller, and then just cook like this, steam like this, cook about 20 minutes and to 25 minutes. Okay, and then we'll take it later and I'll show you later the next step. All right, you see the black plantain here, but now when you open it, that inside still the same one, you know, because I put in the refrigerator. Okay, so we can cut this. Or you can cut like this. Whatever you like, you can cut the way, whatever you want. Just if you have a big family, you can, maybe you need 2 plantain or 3, no, or 3 sweet potato and 3 plantains. It depends how big your family to have the sweet potato dessert. Okay, let's see. This is already 25 minutes. I think it's been well done. Let's open. Hot. Let's try. Yes, it's very soft already. So this is ready to put to the bowl here. I'm gonna take it shortly, okay? Just 25 minutes is done. That's why the things, if you cut slice like that, that will be like 25 minutes cook. Now we'll turn off the stove, and you cook with high heat and a lot of water here, like, you know, almost half water in the pans, and then put like this. So let's remove from here while still hot like this. Okay, after you remove from the stove, from the pan, just smooth like this. See this? Now it's been smooth, finished. Just let it be cooling down for a while, and then later I'll show you how to make the dough from this sweet potato. Okay, I already put a half cup tapioca starch. Now I add another half, so let's become 1 cup, and let's mixing it. So I add another half, so 1.5 tablespoon sugar, white sugar. Let's continue to mixing it. So now I finished already. This one is soft. I put 1.5 cup of tapioca starch and 1.5 tablespoon white sugar. So now I use little bit oil or olive oil, whatever you have, vegetable oil. Just put a little bit to your hand like this, and then take it little by little, that dough, and put it and try to make round like this. Try to make small, not too big. It's small is better, look better. Okay, so far this I make it like this, small, 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 and then this one I'm going to put to the boil water. See. Okay, actually you can take it out like this. See, that's done. Because you're gonna cook later. Because some people also they cook directly once they make it, but I like to do like this first. Oh yeah, the last one. Oop. This one is gonna take it out soon. Okay, let's see. Normally I put just 3 to 4 minutes here, and we'll be done. The last one. Okay, now let's turn off this. Let's take out the last one. Join here. That's the last one, by the way. Okay, so I finished make the sweet potato dough already, and shortly I'll cook this with coconut milk and brown sugars. Okay, so let me show you later how I do it again with a plantain. So now I start to cook the coconut milk. Here I'm gonna put this half, not all of them, because I don't cook a lot of them. And I put water a little bit inside just because I already turned on the stove. Okay, so I put half of them, and I put the sugar. I don't want to sweet since this is already from the plantain will be sweet, so I put like this. You can also slice this brown sugar or just put together like this, and that will be small. Okay, this is the plantain. I'm gonna put plantain right now. And put also together with this, so I measure their match as plantain and this sweet potato dough is it's matched with that plantain, so it's not too much this one, too much that one, so just measure. But it depends, if you have a lot of family you can make a lot, like so let's mixing it. So if need more sweet, little bit more, so I can add a little bit like this sugar. Just put it in, and remember to stir. So we don't really boil. Actually, you have to reduce the heat. Reduce the heat, and continue to stir. Normally, this cook around 5 to 7 minutes. That will be done. So you don't, because you do not want to cook the plantain too much. Yeah, so it have to be 5 to 7 minutes. First try high heat and then reduce, and like I say, if you want to slice the sugar, if you have the whole sugar like that, slice the sugar. But if it is just brown sugar from the store, Safeway, just put it in, measure, try, taste. Sugar to taste. If you have a pandan leaves or jackfruit, you can add jackfruits and pandan leaves. If you don't, that's no problem. It's the same taste, it's just a little bit different. People sometimes put vanilla, but I'm not going to put vanilla, just like this. Okay, so it's been cooked 5 to 7 minutes already, so now I am done. Okay, I'm going to turn off the stove. Okay, let's see. Okay, I finished to make the sweet potato dessert, and this is a final result. I hope you can see. Okay, so I tried already the sweet potato dessert. It's really tasty, and the brown sugar tasty, and the taste of the smell of the jackfruit and pandan leaf is really good. So I hope you can make at home like this and try to learn. And I hope also that you try to watch LCC Travel vlog. Okay, bon appetit. Bye bye.